Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha, and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Arcana Folia Oracle deck, published by US Game Systems. Thank you so much to US Games for sending this my way. Retailing for $23.95 in the US, and as always in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. Alright, this is by Nora Paskaleva. Hopefully I'm saying the name correctly. I do apologize if I'm not. Arcana Folia Oracle is an invitation into the forest where we connect with the pure vibrations of flora and fauna. Inspired by the delicate and intricate essence of leaves, this lushly illustrated deck is a gateway to self-reflection and personal growth. Exploring the powerful energy of nature will enhance your intuition, enabling you to discover clarity for your deepest questions. Includes 50 round cards with earthly painted edges and a 72-page illustrated guidebook with 3 custom card spreads. All right, let's get into it. Listen to the whispers, let them guide you. Bottom of the deck, packaging. Before we get into the cards, let's just take a peek at the guidebook here. Okay, so table of contents, we have introduction, how to use the cards, strengthening your intuition, how to ask questions, spreads, card meanings, and about the creator. Using this deck will help deepen your intuition, guide your journey towards self-improvement, and help you navigate difficult situations. This deck reminds us to take some time out of our busy lives to reconnect with nature and listen to the messages it offers us. Alrighty. So listen to the oracles intuitively. While each card in the guidebook has a specific meaning, it's more important to tap into the essence of the card based on your unique situation, circumstances, and current energy. You can always use the sample spreads and read the descriptions for the general card interpretations while learning to deepen your intuition and trust your inner voice. Alrighty. What would the outcome be if I take this path? Is better asking, then will XYZ happen? Awesome. Spreads, we have 3 cards. The Whispering Flower spread with 6 cards, and Leafy Spirits spread with 7 cards. And then it goes into the meanings, and then about the creator. Very cool. All right, I'm going to unwrap this. I'll be right back. Okay, look at the back. So pretty. And then we have that brown edging there. Very nice. Let's talk cardstock. Okay, US Game System cardstock, not too bad. It's very flexible, snapping back, but it's not paper thin. It's right in a good spot for me. I like that. All right, it is round. Let's get into it. We have a number, a keyword, and then a little blurb down below. So, creativity, use your imagination. Test, look for a divine test. I'm going to read just because sometimes it doesn't pick up too well on the video. Reciprocity, give help, receive help. Gossip, words spread fast. There's a slight gloss. Leisure, remain lighthearted. Intuition, listen to your inner voice. I like that it's earthly based, you know, like lots of plants. Information, pay attention to details. Belief, examine existing beliefs. Loyal friend, a wise, supportive person. Energy, rush of excitement. Serendipity, fated encounter. It's always nice when a dragonfly comes into view. Love, true feelings. Time, trust in divine timing. Joy, enjoy the little things. Mindset, find a different perspective. Epiphany, cycles repeat until the lesson is learned. Sweetness. Set clear boundaries. Self-care. Heal, repair, reconnect. Cut off. Let go of what no longer serves you. Warrior spirit. Stand your ground. Adventure. Be open to new experiences. That's fun. Change. Fear is not a good advisor. Alignment. You can do hard things. I do tell myself that every day. Zoom in. The answer is there if you look closer. Slow and steady. Patience is key. Oh, so sweet. Plot twist. Unexpected development. Treasure. Protect your energy and space. In the distance, closer than you think. Ooh. Protection. You are protected. Cleanse. Oh, that's a pretty broom. Clear space for positive energy. Warning. Pay attention to red flags. Obstacle. Overcoming a blockage on your path. Abundance. Financial security and material gains. Opportunity. The chance is in your hands. Nurture. Water your garden. Lock. Something is hidden or locked. Detour. Change course. I really like the style of this art. Success. Gradual success with thoughtful actions. Travel. Pack and go. Companion. A discerning friend. Healthy choices. Choose wisely. Sneaky person. A person with questionable moral compass. Thoughts. Cultivate your ideas. Reflection. A reflection reveals who you are. Temptation. Alluring thoughts and actions. Soulmate. Oh my goodness. Someone from your soul tribe. Gift. Precious offering. Celebration. Enjoy your victories with others. Home. Appreciate comfort and sense of belonging. Oh yeah, kitty cat. Eccentric person. A person with a different worldview. All right, let's see how this shuffles. This will be interesting because it's a circle. Okay. Not too bad there. Give it the old college try. Oh yeah, it's still very flexible, doing its shuffle. Yeah, okay, let's do overhand. Oh yeah, okay. Not mad at this. Can we get a card to read? We're going to read for obstacle, overcoming a blockage on your path. We do even get a picture down in the corner. All right, delay, temporary setback, challenges, inconvenience, time of strength, handling difficulties, and not giving up. You may encounter an obstacle or temporary setback on your journey towards your goal. Overcoming it may require self-discipline and patience, but with your capabilities, you can succeed in reaching your final destination. Although the journey may not be easy, such obstacles can teach us the strength and perseverance of our character, making the final results even sweeter. Instead of fearing what lies ahead, we can be grateful for the experience that will positively contribute to our genuine confidence and appreciation of the final outcome. Well, I think this is adorable. I think this is a great everyday deck. As far as I know, no AI is used here. I'm not seeing any indication. I do know that the creator is an artist, a multimedia artist. So therefore, I'm not going to assume AI has been used. So with that being said, I think that this is really cute, Very fun, very beginner friendly. I think I like the amount of cards here. I like what I see. I like the topics. I like that this can be pretty much used for whatever situation you want to use it for. So if you like a little bit of a challenge with a circle deck, a little bit of a unique type deck, this might be for you. I think that the topic is great. The art is very much up my alley. So now I would love to know what your thoughts are. Are you excited about this deck? Is this something on your wish list? What are your thoughts? And if you've made it this far in the video, drop me a mushroom emoji to let me know you have. Thank you so much to US Game Systems for sending this my way. I'm very excited to get to know it on a personal basis, and thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye!